What is this? What is this?
I had to count my money on the iron board. I just took that bitch shopping right behind the store. I had to get all my niggas up behind. I had to get them up holding. I had to take 12 right on the mouth.
Okay guys, it took me 2 attempts to dye my hair. This was the first attempt. It didn't go well, so I had to do it again. So you guys are about to see that. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tamari back at it again with another video. So this video is going to be what you guys read in the title, me dyeing my hair. So I tried filming this video yesterday and my hair turned out like this, and it was kind of a fail because like my mom saw me but my dad hasn't seen me yet, and when he sees me my hair is going to be a different color. Yesterday I went to Sally's and I got, this is what I got from Sally's yesterday. I got a dye called L'Oreal True Reds, and then I had a dye called L'Oreal Technique Sizzling Copper, and I didn't just use the dyes, but these are some strong dyes. They smell so bad yesterday. Let's hope my hair doesn't fall out. But today I'm going to be putting, what the heck? Okay guys, I was having the AC lock on so it could be stable, but I'm putting this in it today. Dark and Lovely, they have a new box for her because everyone knows that it used to be this lady for a long time, but they changed it to this lady, which I don't like. My sis was popping, and this cost $6.99. Again, I say let's hope my hair does not fall out. So it looks like this, and it's called Vivius Red, I think. I might be wrong. Okay, I have 4 clips over here, and let me see what's in this box. I don't feel like parting it right now. Okay, so they have the applicator bottle. Oh, okay, they got cream developer already in here. It's not that strong, thank goodness. Why did I feel the need to smell it? Shaking it. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm not ready for another dye to make me like about to pass out in my room. Coming back. Okay guys, so there's the hair. It's already kind of changing. I've been doing this for a while now. So I don't know if I should add more over here. It looks pretty like plain, but yesterday I learned that like it may look like it's not working, but it is. They said don't touch it with your hands. I don't care. Like in my video yesterday, I kept touching it with my hands. If you guys hear that noise, that's my friend on FaceTime. Look at Peso. What are you doing? To put this thingy on. And then it is 9:35, so I'm gonna take it off at. I mean 9. It's 1:50. 1:35. I'm gonna take it off at 1:55. So that's 20 more minutes. I don't know. So when I come back, you guys will see me with this rinsed out, and then I'll be putting the other dye in my hair. Okay, so I got dye on my bra strap, so, and on my arms. Okay guys, so let's not talk about how crazy I look, but this is how the color looks. It looks nice just for being. I didn't end up putting in the other dye because I'm a little too lazy. It looks better in the back because it looks more bright in the front, because in the front it was just all lightener. And if my hair was black, it would have been blonde, but since my hair was red, it turned into orange, if that makes sense. And it looks like this in the back. I like the back so much more than I do. Wait. This. I like the back so much more than I do the front, but and then like look, this is black, but like honestly don't even care. It's cute. So now I'm about to put in my DIY hair mask, which is egg, mayonnaise, olive oil, honey, and honey. So after I put that in, I'm gonna come back, and then you guys are gonna see the full thing, period. Or I might come back tomorrow. I don't know which one. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks. This isn't exactly how I want it to look, so I am gonna dye it again, but it's like not like a, it's just like, this is like after the blonde, this is after the blonde dye, because my hair was red and it wasn't any of these colors. It turned into this, and I moisturized it and everything because I'm not getting no damaged hair. I put Jamaican castor oil on my ends, and I'm going to be putting this color in it because I did want my hair to be ginger. So if you guys did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. I don't know why I can't say that word. And I'll see you guys in my next video.